welcome back to me, Farmer. So today I'm gonna introduce how to run the Instagram and and how to create a script to run the Instagram. Basically, to run this system, you will need two things. The first one is the phone, the boss phone right here, and the second is will be the software to control the phone. And in the software, we will enter the account, and then the software will auto log in the account into the phone. Yeah, and how can we create a script? So on the software, we put all the dashboard of action list on software already. So basically, if you want them to warming up the account, we can use the interact new feed or we can use the interact reel. So in the basic feed dashboard, we can setting how many video they're gonna scrolling, the delay time as well, and how many viewing time they're gonna view the post, and then they're gonna like the post, say the post, share the post or something. We can search the keyword or we can make them random scrolling the video, and after that they can comment below the post. So every Pacific feature, they will have the Pacific dashboard, so where you can setting up your how many follow, how many like, how many comment or something, right? And we can put a lot of action on one script. So if you can see on the screen, I have a lot of script and I can put how many action that I want. So basically, I can delete some action. Maybe I will put the interact new feed and only the interact reel or something, and then save the script. So after that, please remember choosing the right script that you want to run, and then click save it. Okay, and in the software, you can put a lot of folder in the software, right? And after setting a script, please highlight the account just on the screen. Highlight the account and then click the start button. So on the screen right now, I'm having the 14 phone, the 14 Android phone, and then I will click the start button. Okay, as you can see, they will connect the phone and they will change the device. So how many account can we run on the software? You can run unlimited account because we are using a clone device. So as you can see right now, like example, one Samsung phone can clone to many an Android phone device, and they will auto backup the data of that device info, and after that they will go straight to the app, no need to log in again. So this is what happened when they auto log into Instagram, and as you can see, they will go straight to the scrolling the reel or something, right? So some phone, they don't have the their proxy maybe cannot die or something, so they don't have the internet. So but some phone, the proxy is still stable, so that they can still work. Okay. So every customer, if you want to run warming up and posting the account, we can setting the post reel right here, and yeah, we can add the feature right here, post image and post reel or something right here, right? Okay, like example, they are running for you, run interact reel or something. Yeah, okay, that's it. That's how they're gonna run it. Yeah, like warming up the account and auto action on the account. So to sum up, you will need both. The first one is the boss phone, I mean the hardware right here, and the second is will be the software to control the boss phone. So the total of this setup will be $1,590. Yeah, and it's still not include the shipping cost. So if you want me to ship it to your specific address, just send me your location. I will check and I will let you know. Okay, so this is the example of running the Instagram account, right? So some phone, they don't have the internet connection because the browser maybe kinda die or something. Okay, so that's it all for now. That's the tutorial of running the Max Instagram phone with the boss phone. If you guys have any information, please don't hesitate to ask me with the information below. So see you guys. Thank you.